Determine the desired rail placement and snap a chalk line onto the mounting surface to ensure all posts are aligned properly. Beneath all post locations, install at least two 2-inch by 8-inch blocks, using at least 3 number 10 by 3.5-inch deck screws, penetrating through the joist at least 1.5 inches through the blocks. Screws are sold separately. Plumb and level the post using leveling shims. Secure the posts in place with the appropriate fasteners, sold separately. Place the rail panel across the opening and adjust to ensure equal space to the center of the panel. Mark each end of the rail panel 1/4 inch from the post face to allow for bracket and/or weld clearance. Measure from this mark to the end of the rail, subtract 1/2 inch, and record this number for rod cutting step. Remove the uprights by removing the number 10 hex screws from both the top and bottom of the uprights. Any bushings that remain on the rods, remove and insert them back into the upright. Measure and mark from the end of each rod the recorded measurement from earlier. Do this for both ends of the panel and cut the rods. Rods can be cut with an angle grinder, with a metal cutting disc, or other metal cutting tool. Make sure the rods are free of burrs. It may be helpful to carefully lay the panel down and use blocks of wood between the rods, or if space permits, reattach the upright to keep the rods from moving during the cutting process. Cut the top and bottom rails at your marks with a jigsaw or portable bandsaw. Test fit the rail panel. Once a proper fit is ensured, all cuts must be painted prior to final installation. Reattach the uprights to each side of the panel. Ensure that the rods are fully seated into the bushings. A light tap with a rubber mallet may be needed. Mark the new location of the attachment holes for the uprights and pre-drill with a 5/32 drill bit. Secure the uprights with number 10 hex screws, which were removed earlier. Set the panel in place and pre-drill the screw holes using a 5/32 metal drill bit. Secure with the supplied panel attachment hardware, 2 screws per bracket. Spread the bottom of the bracket cover approximately 1 inch. Wrap the cover around the rail as close to the post as possible. Hook the solid band, left side of the clip, into the underside of the bracket first. Squeeze the cover together from the sides until the 3-finger band snaps into the underside of the bracket. To remove, disengage the solid band, left side first, then reverse the installation steps to complete removal. Assemble the 2-piece post trim cover by inserting 1 fastener in each trim half. Snap these in place, concealing the post flange.